Alright guys, this is the unknown G12 here, and I'm camping with a few of my buds, but they're not awake right now. It's like 6, I think, and so my friend has this little cave. If you guys saw it on my Instagram, then you guys would know, but he has like this little cave. You can see the railroad tracks. You can tell it's a mine shaft, actually. If you see the little rail, hang on, let me fix it with the flashlight, because it has different modes. Okay. Alright, so you can see there's like a lot of muddy water. I thought that was like a green tarp or whatever, but it was actually just really muddy water. But you can see like the railroad tracks. Hang on, let me zoom in for you. You see those railroad tracks? Yeah, I think those were for mine carts. I'm not fully sure. Hang on, let me get back. But me and my friends, we're gonna probably try to explore this. You can tell it echoes. Echo. Hello? Anyways, we're on his property, so this is totally fine to explore. It's not really trespassing because it's on his property. So yeah, we're gonna probably try to explore this maybe, because it actually looks pretty deep. It looks kind of spooky down there. Yeah, it's pretty deep water a little bit. It'd probably go up to my shins right here. But yeah, I'll try to get a video out here soon. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the. I'll see you guys in the next.